gonna be making a video about some stuff. I want to show you some worlds that I actually have. Like, I actually want to show you the working huge furnace. Tomorrow I'm probably gonna build some stuff. But shout out to one of my friends on YouTube. I don't remember his name, but it ends with Zahab, okay? Okay, here's some fuel right here. Anyway, if you guys want to shout out to him, and possibly you can do what he actually wants you to do, and do whatever. So, we're gonna start the day with some charcoal. I need this part, this one. You could take that one. And then the working huge furnace. I like pressing buttons all the time. Okay, so welcome to Working Huge Furnace map. This map is created by Ptolemy Lamed Twitter at Lamed. What's this? I don't even remember. Anyway, so the furnace should be working right now. For some reason it's not. Okay, it has it. Let's see it. For some reason it's not working. Oh, sorry about this. How do you do it? Time set clear. Sorry, but I'm very new at this. So let's just do this. Okay. Hopefully it stops raining. If you guys can't see this, I'm sorry about it. But apparently what it's supposed to do is grab this part and it would actually turn on to make it, but I don't know why it's not working. I wonder what's happening so far. Now I can't move. Okay. Oh, that's what I'm supposed to do. Okay, you have to put fuel in there and then the input right there. So I'm gonna grab that back over here. Input is this stuff. Okay. Do this. Cut it in half. Give that one in. And this one. And let's see if it works. It's supposed to be working right now, but okay. See that chicken is gone. So is fun. Whoa, I heard something. Isn't that cool? It's a working furnace. Which, there's something back here. Oh, that's pretty cool. There's a fire over here. Output. See? And it cooks the chicken. It stops. Okay? So, come to think of it, I know people don't want me to do this, but I might as well do it anyway. I'm actually gonna make a TNT cannon, like the last one I built, but this time I'm actually gonna show you how good this TNT cannon actually works against a working furnace. Okay, so we got that, need a lever, If you guys actually comment down below TNT Cannon's world, actually. So if you actually guys like this game, shout out Minecraft too. Because Minecraft is actually a pretty good game. I think it's about strategy and stuff. That's why I actually make stuff in Minecraft. Okay. Alright. Oh, I just forgot. Every time I miss something, tell me, okay? Because I don't like missing stuff in this game. Because mostly I always get it wrong or something happens. It kind of sucks. So, get that. Right now I'm actually sneaking. So if you press this button, I don't know why I'm turning on, not even pressing the button. Literally. Okay, I'm good. If you guys actually play Minecraft, or you don't, I really don't care. But if you guys actually do, so like and subscribe to this video right now. Maybe later if you want to. Let's go rally, because I forgot about the rally. And a bunch of TNT. Okay, I'm gonna do some stuff later, like, I'm gonna ask my uncles or uncle, they're gonna help me with this, because I'm actually gonna be bowling and going to Pullman later, so if you guys, again, if you guys love Minecraft, just shout out or like and subscribe to this video. Because right now, I haven't been doing this for a while. Because I'm kind of getting, because there's been stuff going on in my life right now, which is kind of sucky. And let's see if this TNT cannon can actually blow up that furnace. Wait, let me go get some meat first. I like doing that, it's fun. See, it's already got 24. They can keep that. I really don't know why this is actually working. But, if you guys want to do it, want to see instructions of how to build this, I will actually do it in my next stuff, but boom. Ooh, you see that? It's the working victory. Whoa, whoa, whoa. See this stuff? So basically this thing, if you put some stuff in there, it'll eventually put it in here. Then it takes it, and it goes down to the side, and it eventually puts it in this thing. So it's already at 2. I don't care if they keep this, but the results will be devastating. Because I didn't even know how to build this, but it's kind of hard to build. So, if you guys want another destruction, do what this does. Just blow it up. But right now, I think it's already dead. Okay. them. Like this. I love this game. This is why I love this game. Because there's so much destruction and everything. But the top of this boat's not dead. But, okay. I think by the time now, I think it's gone. But, see, raw chicken. Take this. You could keep it on for all I care. But, bad part is, all of that stuff that's been going on, I honestly don't know how this is working. Give me that cooked chicken. You can cook this chicken again. I don't care. So right now, all of this stuff is gone. All of it. So, yeah. This sucks a lot. But I'm gonna keep it going. And I might as well actually build this. But overpower it. So I could blow it up. Okay. I don't know why my tablet's acting weird. Overpowered. That's an overpowered shot. And it didn't even blow up. That was epic. And I bet you. Yep, it's gone. All of it. Charcoal. All of it. Now, if you guys want to see how to build this TNT cannon, I've already actually made it. Ooh. Never seen this flower before. Because I don't really go by flowers. Okay. So, overpower it. And I kind of almost blew it up. See? That's an overpower shot. And, now that it's all broken and stuff, I do this. And, see? Overpowered. Overpower it, it blows up. That was